my name is Kamille and I'm a recreation leader here in the city of Segundo. Today we're back with another video and we're going to be doing another science experiment and we're going to be growing a rainbow. So for today's experiment you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some markers, of course, some washable ones, all in the colors of the rainbow. I have 7 markers here. Then we're going to need 2 plastic cups. We're going to need a napkin and then we're going to need some water. Okay, so first step, you're going to want to take your napkin and unfold it, and then you're going to just want to cut right down the center so that our markers don't have to go through so many layers of paper. So I'm just going to take this section now and I'm going to fold it hot dog style. And then for step 2, now we're going to color in the rainbow on opposite ends of our napkin. So I'm going to do 8 colors this way and then the same 8 colors this way so they line up. Okay, so this is what your rainbow should look like when you're done with it. I have all 8 colors on both sides matching up. And next, what we're gonna do is take our plastic cups and we're gonna pour equal amounts of water in both. You don't need to fill up your cups or anything. Maybe fill it about halfway. Okay, so now I've zoomed you guys in so we can see what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna place my napkin in the water, and if you can see, we're growing a rainbow as the colors connect. Okay, so now as you can see in the previous clips, we just grew our own little rainbow in a cup. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe for more.